You'll always want to start at the bottom and go up. If you're working down slope, you can't see what's behind you. And so then we're going to look for our normal L. Obviously you're not going to go this fast, but hey everybody, this is Andy with Patterson Adjuster Training. In this video, I'm going to show you the best tool to use on steep roofs. So this is the goat, and you don't have to feed it or pet it or anything like that. So it comes in 4-foot sections, and then what you do is you just clip them together. And then you run that out as far as you need to. Now the top section only has one handle. That's because that's where your hook goes. And so this hook goes in the very top. And so what you do is you got this wheel, you flip it over, you run it up the roof, and then when you get to the top, you flip it over and pull down on it, and the ridge is right here, and it won't allow it to slide down. So let me finish putting this thing together and we'll get on the roof. First thing you want to do is get the hook on the roof. A lot of people hang that hook inside the gutter, but I don't do that just because I don't want to mess up the insurance gutter. So once you get on the ladder, we're just going to walk it up the ridge. The one thing you got to be careful of is this lip right here. It catches on shingles and then pulls them up. So you want to keep that off the shingle surface. We're just going to go up with it. So over the ridge, drop it in. And now the trick is just pull straight down on it. When you get on the roof, you don't want to be pulling up like this. You want to pull straight down. So now the most dangerous part of getting on the roof is talking and looking backwards while you're trying to make the transition from ladder to roof. So I'll stop talking now. Remember, you want to pull straight down. And so the best way to move this over, you can be dangerous and kind of hold yourself with your gloves and move that top part over. But the way you're supposed to do it is go to the ridge, slide it over. I'm going to pick it up, slide it over. About right there. You want to make sure it's perpendicular to the roof. To move this over, we just reverse. You can see I'm already sliding, even in these cougar paws. You really want to try to avoid any of the rungs above where it contacts the roof. I did it there briefly. When you're on your ladder, you always want 3 points of contact. 2 hands, 1 foot. 2 foot 1 hand. So I'm gonna come down a little bit. We're gonna take this off the roof, doing the reverse. So push up on it. Now we get it off. So when you're doing 2-story roofs or steep roofs, get you something besides cougar paws. Get you a goat, get you the Ridge Pro, the hip lock, actual rope and harness stuff. Although I will say rope and harness is kind of limited because there's very rarely a good anchor point where you need it. And so it's impractical sometimes. I've had this for a couple of years and I think I paid $790 for it or something. And then I went back and got the extra 2 extensions along with the bag. So anyway, guys, I hope that video helps. I will see you in the next one.